Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be unboxing a surprise bag that I just went and purchased today, and I'm so excited to show you guys what I purchased and what I got. So obviously it comes with the big Louis Vuitton bag and the bow, which is so cute. So I decided to go with the beautiful Vavin PM bag. I did not really have a bag like this in my collection. So I wanted to get something different, something that I could still wear all year round, and something that was big enough for my everyday essentials. So this features the Damier Ebene coated canvas, which I love because, especially with the black leather, just because this is a canvas that I feel like is definitely like this will not get dirty, or if you did get something on it, you can easily wipe it off. It's not, I just feel like it's really versatile. And so it also comes with the gold hardware and the magnetic closure. So I'm just going to show you guys around the bag before I get into those small details. But this also features this gold chain, which is like super cute and pretty to me. It's not just that simple gold chain, but it has a little more style to the chain, which I absolutely love. And this can be worn crossbody, which I like. Another thing that I like is when I'm spending money on a nice bag, I do want it to be something that I can wear all year round, something that's very versatile and that I can get my use out of. So it also features these leather straps, and this just says Louis Vuitton Paris, Louis Vuitton Paris. And so the back of the bag, it does not feature a back pocket, which is okay, because like I said, the bag is very spacious already. So long as I can fit my everyday essentials, that's pretty good. And I feel like with this bag too, you can dress this up and down. I don't feel like you really need a lot of, I don't feel like it's definitely a more dressier bag, but this is definitely a bag that you can dress up and down. I don't feel like you have to really worry about that with this bag. That's another reason why I got it. So I'm gonna get into the inside of the bag. But before I get into that, like I said, it has this magnetic closure system with a signature lock, which is very unique and cute. I feel like it just adds to the girliness of the bag. And so inside of the bag has the microfiber lining, which I love because, again, if I'm spending this much money on a bag, I want to be able to not have to worry too much about it and be able to carry it in all settings. So like if I'm going to the zoo, I could wear this, or if I'm going out to eat to a nice restaurant, I could wear this as well. So if you notice, inside of the bag, it's really spacious and it's stretchy, which I love that. So it's stretchy, and I can fit, like I literally can fit my journal in here. I could fit probably another small book, and on top of my everyday essentials. So this also comes with the zipper, with a long zipper, which is unique to the bag and just gives your bag even more space, which I like to have that as an option. And then inside of the bag, it just comes with these tags and just says like the price of the bag, where the bag was made, and yeah, so I really like those, that it comes with that, just to give you just, I don't know, little mini facts about the bag. And this bag was made in Italy. So yeah, and then it also comes with this front pocket, which is still pretty big. Like as you can see, with this type of, with the Damier Ebene coated canvas, it's really stretchy. So I like that. And so I can just place my phone in here. And then it also still has the tag on it, which I really like, and I'm happy about, because I feel like that means that it was new. And the tag is also still on here. So I'll probably take that off when I start wearing the bag more. So also, like I said, this has the magnetic snap, and so it's really strong, which I like too. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and I probably will do a 6-month review after I wear it a lot, because I do plan to wear this probably like every day and see how I get my wear out of it. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe.